In my hand are some of the most unbelievable credit cards on the market right now that pretty much anybody with a solid credit score can apply for. And the more I thought about these cards, the more I was really impressed by the overall value that you can get from them, not just in the first year from the bonus, but also long term. So if you're looking for a great way to save some money on travel and have some extra cash left over in your pocket even after you return from your awesome trip, then this video is for you. Let's kick things off with unbelievable card number 1, which is the Capital One SavorOne card. The welcome offer as of November 2022 is to earn $200 of cash back after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months. There's also a 0% APR offer on new purchases and balance transfers for those first 15 months, and then a variable APR to follow. And here's where the ridiculousness begins. Take a look at this card's reward structure. You'll earn 10% back on Uber and Uber Eats, and that partnership is valid through November 14th of 2024. 8% on Capital One Entertainment and Vivid Seats purchases, 5% back on both hotels and rental cars when you book them through the Capital One travel portal, 3% on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services and grocery stores, and then finally 1% back on all other purchases. And how they're able to offer a no-fee card with up to 10 unique rewards categories all the way up to 8 to 10% is really beyond me. So if this card is too good to be true, maybe it will go away at some point or be trimmed down. But for right now, if you don't yet have this card and you value cashback rewards, you might really want to consider it. I definitely did, and if you haven't watched this video where I applied for it directly, then definitely check it out after watching this one. The card also offers a variety of benefits, including an Uber One membership through November 14th, 2024, virtual card numbers, travel accident insurance, pretty cool for a cashback card by the way, also extended warranty, and no foreign transaction fees. And because I'm still waiting for my physical card in the mail, here's a picture of it in my Capital One mobile app right now, and the cool thing about it is I was able to add it to my mobile wallet to start using immediately after getting approved without having to actually receive the physical one and then activate it manually. On to card number 2, which is the Capital One Venture X card. The welcome offer as of November 2022 is to earn 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. The value of that bonus is $750 or potentially a bit more toward travel. The card also comes with some really compelling rewards categories, including 10 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars when you book those through the Capital One travel portal. Also 10 miles per dollar on Turo. That partnership is valid through May 16th of 2023. Then 5 miles per dollar on flights through that same portal, and double miles on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $395. And before that price tag freaks you out, check out these benefits. The card will offer you access to a great list of both airline and hotel transfer partners, a $300 travel credit that's valid through the Capital One travel portal, 10,000 bonus miles every account anniversary that you keep the card open, and that's worth $100 or more toward travel by the way, up to $100 in credits toward TSA PreCheck or Global Entry, airport lounge access to the Capital One Lounge Network, Priority Pass lounges and Plaza Premium lounges, elite status with Hertz, that's up to the President Circle level, and no foreign transaction fees. So all you gotta do to earn back the fee on this card is pretty much take one trip a year. If you do it through that Capital One travel portal, you'll get your $300 statement credit, and your anniversary, when that comes around, that's another $100 worth of miles right there. So Capital One's essentially paying you $5 to hold on to the card and book a trip through their portal. Now before we continue any further here, I'd like to briefly mention that whether or not you decide to apply for any of these cards yourself, if you like a simple way to manage your existing cards all in one place, definitely check out today's sponsor, MaxRewards. MaxRewards is an app that allows you to manage your credit cards, rewards, and benefits all in one place. This includes seeing when your bills are due, tracking your sign-up bonuses, monitoring your credit scores, and more. On the Activity tab, you can view the transactions across all your cards to easily see where you've been spending your money, including the value of the rewards you've earned across different categories. Then the Best Card tab helps you identify which card to use for different purchases. That way you can earn points or cash back even faster. And perhaps my favorite feature is the Benefits and Offers dashboard, which you can unlock with the gold level of MaxRewards. You might be familiar with Chase offers, Amex offers, Bank of America deals, and others. These are like digital coupons that provide you with additional savings and discounts on top of the regular rewards you earn. Each time you sync the app, all of your offers will be activated automatically, including the hidden ones from Amex that you didn't even know about. And thanks to MaxRewards, I currently have 264 Amex offers automatically activated on just my Amex Platinum card alone. And as I scrolled through those offers, I found many of them to be extremely useful with great hotel companies, airlines, and retailers $1,000. So as we're approaching the end of the year here, this is a great way to get some automatic cash back, statement credits, and additional points with pretty much no additional work. So if you'd like to try MaxRewards, use the link down below in the description to get the gold level entirely free for your first month. And now back to those unbelievable credit cards. Card number 3 is the US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite Card. The welcome offer as of November 2022 is to earn 50,000 points, and you can earn these after spending $4,500 on purchases in the first 90 days. The value of that bonus is $750 toward travel. For the ongoing rewards, this card will issue you 5 points per dollar on hotels and car rentals via the Altitude Rewards Center, which is basically the US Bank travel portal, then triple on all other travel, triple on mobile wallet purchases, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $400, but it comes with a $325 credit that can be used toward pretty much any travel you like, as well as dining at restaurants. All of the points you earn can be worth 1.5 cents each toward travel redemptions, and it also gives you access to airport lounges via Priority Pass, that is 4 visits per year. You can also receive up to $100 in statement credits to cover the cost of your TSA PreCheck or Global Entry applications, and there are also no foreign transaction fees. The true superpower of this card is to earn triple points on all of your mobile wallet transactions. That pretty much does away with all of the regular set categories that most credit cards have, like dining or supermarkets, pharmacies, etc. Because wherever you can add this to the likes of Apple Pay, for example, and you just tap your phone to pay, that's pretty much a guaranteed way to earn triple points. So based on where you shop most often, that could be for some people almost like getting triple points on pretty much everything that you buy. And then superpower number 2 of this card is to take all of those points and then make them worth 50% more for travel when compared to cash back. So that's like getting 4.5% back on, again, virtually everything wherever mobile wallet payments are accepted. And that is unbelievable. Card number 4 is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. The welcome offer as of November 2022 is to earn 60,000 points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. The value of that offer is $750 toward travel, potentially a bit more if maximized further. Regarding the ability to earn points on this card, you can earn 5x on travel via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, triple on dining, including takeout and eligible delivery services, triple on online grocery, triple on select streaming, double on all other travel that is outside of Chase's portal, and 1x on all other purchases. The card does carry a $95 annual fee, but as you're about to witness, it's quite easy to make sense of it. That's because the card will give you access to a bunch of great transfer partners, a lot of which are awesome international airlines, a few domestic ones as well, plus some really fantastic hotel programs, including World of Hyatt. The card will also make all of your points worth 1.25 cents each toward travel. You'll receive a 10% anniversary bonus and a $50 anniversary hotel credit, which covers a lot of that annual fee. More recently, Chase has added some additional partner benefits to the card. These include Lyft, where you can earn 5 points per dollar through March 31st, 2025, DoorDash, where you get a Dash Pass subscription through December 31st, 2024, Instacart with an Instacart Plus subscription, plus $15 of statement credits per quarter of the year, and a $10 per month credit with GoPuff deliveries. This card also waives all foreign transaction fees. The true superpower of this card is its ability to make all of your points worth 1.25 cents each toward travel. And I'm not talking about the points earned just from this card alone, but rather all of your Chase Ultimate Rewards points earned across all of your cards that earn Ultimate Rewards points. So if you have no-fee cards like the Freedom Flex, the Freedom Unlimited, or even the no-fee Chase Inc. business cards, you can pool all of them together, transfer them over to your Sapphire Preferred, and they all become worth 25% more compared to cash back. That single ability right there is why so many people love the Chase Trifecta or Chase Quadfecta, using 3 or 4 or more cards all together. The 5th card on our list is the Citi Premier Card. The welcome offer right now is to earn 80,000 points after spending $4K on purchases in the first 3 months. The value of this offer is at least $800 toward travel and also cash back and select gift cards. Once you've earned that bonus, you'll continue earning triple points in all of these following categories: air travel, hotels, travel agencies, restaurants, which includes bars, cafes, and lounges, plus supermarkets and gas stations, then 1x on everything else. While this card does have a $95 annual fee, it will give you access to transfer partners, a $100 hotel credit when your stay is $500 or more, so that can pretty much cover the entire cost of that fee with that single hotel trip, and no foreign transaction fees. What makes this card so unbelievable is A, the 80,000 point bonus right now, B, the ability to redeem those 80,000 points for $800 toward travel or cash back, so massive flexibility, and C, 6 categories, all of which are very useful and all of which earn triple points. Talk about a phenomenal all-in-one card. And our 6th and final card on the most unbelievable card list is the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card. Currently, the welcome offer on this card is to earn 150,000 points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. That offer is worth around $750 toward Hilton hotels on average. You'll then continue earning 14 points per dollar at Hilton, 7x on flights, car rentals, and US restaurants, and triple on all other purchases. The annual fee is indeed very high at $450. However, the main benefits of this card far outweigh it. You'll be given automatic Diamond Elite status, which is currently the highest level in the entire program. That's followed by Freenet Award number 1, which you receive simply by having the card open every account anniversary, and there's also no cap on that in terms of overall point value. You can also earn a second Freenet Award if you spend $60,000 a year on your card, and then we have 2 additional credits. The first is $250 for an airline fee credit, and the second is another $250 for a Hilton resort credit. There's also a third $100 property credit, which is valid for 2 consecutive nights or more at Waldorf Astoria and Conrad hotels, plus a Priority Pass Select membership to give you access to airport lounges around the world, baggage insurance, return protection, and no foreign transaction fees. You may have seen my video about me canceling my Hilton Honors Aspire card. In fact, I used to have 2 of them and I got rid of them both. However, that's because the overall value proposition did not make sense for me and my travel habits at this moment in time, but for so many other people, they get massive value from this card every single year. If you just use those 2 $250 credits per year, that's $500 of value. You paid $450 for your fee, so Amex/Hilton are basically paying you $50 to keep the card every year, plus all the points, elite status, lounge access, etc. layered on top. Gives you insane value. So that's a wrap for my top 6 picks of the most unbelievable credit cards that give you insane value right now at this moment in time, of which I currently have 5 myself because they really are that great. And if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. Also check out the links down below to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MaxRewards and automatically activate all of your American Express offers, plus manage multiple credit cards, rewards, and benefits all in one place, and to view my site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, always remember that you are great.